Jumbo, welcome to this video where we are starting to get into the advanced functions of Excel. And in this video, we are going to speak about the PMT function, that's the payment function, while calculating mortgage. Now, the values provided are the borrowed amount, repayment period, and the rate per annum. And then the period per month, period in months is just equal to the number of years multiplied by 12. You get the period in months. So I'm going to use the PMT function to calculate all these other items, but just the monthly payment. Okay, so to do that, we are going to use the PMT function, go to formulas tab, and then go to financials and get the PMT function. Okay, the reason why I'm going to formulas tab is to the formula builder tab to become available. Once I click on it, the formula builder tab on the right becomes available. In previous versions of Excel, it will be a pop-up menu, just comes on top. Okay, so what is the rate? The rate is the yearly rate. Okay, so you take the yearly rate, divide by 12, you get the monthly rate because we want the monthly payment. Then NPAR is the net period, and it's the total number of years, but we're going to convert it to months. Luckily, we've already converted it to months, which will just select the NPAR or net period and just select this cell. If you have not, it's the number of years times 12. Then the present value, which is shortened as PV, is the borrowed amount, which is 400,000. Then apart from that, the future value is 0 because we intend to not refinance the mortgage loan once we've completed. So it's going to be completed in this number of years or that number of months. Then the type as well is 0. Okay, then once we are done, there's a description of this type of function down here, and that's the beauty of using the formula builder. And if this is the future value or cash balance, then the type is a logical value payment at the beginning of the period or at the end. It just explains what type is. So if it's 0, it's always at the end. If it's 1, it's at the beginning of the month. Most people do it at 0, so I'm just going to click done. Okay, it's giving us a negative value because remember, the present value, because it's cash out from your bank, needs to have a negative sign in front of it, and I did that purposefully so that you're able to see what comes out of it. Okay, so the negative value needs to come out of it. Okay, I'm trying to see what the rate per annum is before. What's before? Okay, no, it's not before. Sorry, the rate here is rate per annum divided by 12. Okay, then net period is B6 here in months. Great, then click on done. We should be able to get the monthly payment. Okay, I had made a mistake here and selected before, which is not percentage. I needed the percentage amount here. Okay, so this is the amount you pay per month. The total payable is equals to just the amount you pay per month times the number of months, and that's what is available. Or you just do a product of this comma this. That's it, you get the same amount. What's the total interest? The total interest is equals to what you're paying minus what you borrowed. That's the total interest. Wow, such a huge amount. And then the average interest per annum is equals to the total interest divided by the total number of years. That's 23,000 per annum. Then the total interest per month is equals to the total interest. There are many ways to do that actually per month. So we can take the total interest, the average interest per month, per annum, just divided by 12, and we get it per month. Or the other way is get the total interest, divide by 120 total months. We still get the same answer. Then the yearly payment amount, we take the total payable divided by number of years. This is the payable. That is the principal plus the interest. Okay, so that's how to use the PMT function, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we are going to use the IPMT function to calculate interest and the property value. That's a different tutorial from this one, but you'll realize there's a difference between the PMT and the IPMT function. See you then. Bye bye.